Hello everyone, my name is Sol, and today I'd like to talk to you about Google Analytics and how to add it into your WordPress site. If you already have your code, well, there's different ways to do it. One of them is to add it in your theme and add it directly on your index page on your theme, but that's not really beginner friendly. So we're gonna use today a specific plugin to do that. Let's add new and add Google Analytics. Now there are several plugins that will, like Sidekick by Google and Google Analytics by Monster Insights. And you can install those and use those tools to install it. But what I don't like about it is that they not only help you install your Google Analytics code, but they also add a lot of functionality, which you should be actually watching these stats in the Google's Analytics panel instead of in your WordPress site. So what we're going to do today is use this one here, this Google Analytics that adds your Google Analytics tracking code to your WordPress site. So let's install it. That way you don't have to see any type of code at all. And activate it. And we go here at settings. And it says how to use. This is the plugin settings. And they're asking you for the Google Analytics tracking ID. Now, we can get this in your Google Analytics site. You go to analyticsgoogle.com and you should have your property already created. We'll go down here to admin and let's go to data streams. If you haven't created a data stream for your property, for your domain, you can do that by doing add stream here and add it to web. But mine's already set up, so I just want to see my ID. So this is the code you see here, global site tag. This is a code that you would add if you were doing it programmatically, if you were adding it to your theme. But what we need here is just the ID, so we'll copy here and use that and add it here. And you save that. And you're all set. In order to check that, let's visit the site. We can check and see. Let's view page source, and you see right here Google Analytics, and it's added this script and it's added your ID right here. This is just to check that it did it. There are some themes like Divi that bring up a specific area in their control panel, and you can paste this whole thing in there, and that's an easy way to do it. But it's easier to just do something like this to add the ID and have it all set up. And in a few minutes you have all set up, and all you have to do is check your stats every now and then to see how things are going in your site. Okay, I hope this helps.